नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए एक नई वीडियो जिसमें हम बात करेंगे समिट एंड कॉन्फ्रेंस की जो 2020 में हुए थे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच सिटी प्लेज होस्ट टू द 22nd इंडियन इंटरनेशनल सी फूड शो आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 12 ईयर्स। इसका जो आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, कोची। जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स है वो है द सिटी ऑफ कोची केरला होस्ट्स द 22nd इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सी फूड शो आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 12 ईयर्स। जो ये इवेंट है वो 3 days का होगा और जो इसके इनॉग्रेशन है वो की है गवर्नर ऑफ केरला ने, जो है आरिफ मोहम्मद खान, ऑन February 7th। जो थीम थी प्रोग्राम की वो थी ब्लू रेवोल्यूशन बियॉन्ड प्रोडक्शन टू वैल्यू एडिशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड समिट नेम रेज 2020 which was in news recently is associated with which field। जो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारियाँ वो हैं द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड अ फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड समिट रेज 2020 रिस्पॉन्सिबल AI फॉर सोशल एम्पावरमेंट 2020 which is proposed to be held from April 11-12 in New Delhi. The government also launched the AI Startup Challenge and events website. Next question, which city hosted the Pyusha Krishi Vigyan Mela 2020 which was organized by ICAR Indian Agriculture Research Institute। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, न्यू दिल्ली। जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारियाँ वो है प्यूषा कृषि विज्ञान मेला 2020 is being organized in New Delhi by IARI from March 1 to 3. The event is being conducted at the IARI Mela Ground, New Delhi. Bharat Bhushan, a 42-year-old farmer from Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district, has been selected for the Innovation Farmer Award by the Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Next question, which city is host to the Food and Hospitality Fair Ahar 2020? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, न्यू दिल्ली। इसके बारे में इम्पोर्टेंट है वो है द 35th edition of the Food and Hospitality Fair Ahar recently commenced in New Delhi. The 5-day fair is being organized by India Trade Promotion Organization ITPO, is being associated with the Agriculture and Processed Food Products Development Authority. Next question है Pragyan Conclave 2020 is an international seminar organized by which armed forces of India? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, इंडियन आर्मी। A 2-day Indian Army International Seminar named Pragyan Conclave 2020 is being organized by Center for Land Welfare Studies, CLAWS. The seminar commenced on 4 March 2020 in New Delhi. Next question, Union Ministry of Women and Child Development organized a discussion on the future of work. Women in India's workforce is associated with which global organization? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, वर्ल्ड बैंक। जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारी वो है यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेस डिस्कशन ऑन द फ्यूचर ऑफ वर्क women in India's workforce is associated with World Bank in New Delhi. Minister of Women and Child Development Smriti Zubin Irani inaugurated the program along with Dr. Junaid Kamal Ahmed, Country Director India, World Bank. As a part of event to celebrate International Women's Day 2020, this program is organized to honor the achievements of women in business, public, private and social organizations. Next question. Which city was the venue of a conference on empowering women entrepreneurs organized by the MSME Ministry? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, न्यू दिल्ली. यूनियन MSME Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated the conference and a panel discussion on creating a conducive business ecosystem for empowering women entrepreneurs. It was participated by more than 300 women entrepreneurs from all parts of the country. Next question. World Cities Summit is a global biennial conference hosted by which country? इसका जो आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, सिंगापुर. वर्ल्ड सिटीज समिट is a global biennial conference hosted by Singapore. This year, World Cities Summit WCS 2020 is scheduled to be held from July 5 to 9 July. The theme of this year's summit, as announced by Singapore government, is livable and sustainable cities adapting to disrupted world. Next question is, the United Nations COP26 Climate Change Summit, which has been postponed to 2021, was scheduled to be held in which city? इसका आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ग्लासगो. जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारी है वो है, द यूनाइटेड नेशंस COP26 Climate Change Summit was scheduled to be held in city of Glasgow in Scotland in November 2020. Amid the worldwide coronavirus pandemic, the Climate Change Summit has been postponed to 2021. Next question. Who represented India in the recently held G20 Extraordinary Energy Ministers Virtual Meeting? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान. जो इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट जानकारियां वो है, यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस एंड स्टील Dharmendra Pradhan represented India in the recently held G20 Extraordinary Energy Ministers Virtual Meeting. जो Saudi Arabia holds the presidency of G20 nations. The meeting was focused on measures to ensure stable energy markets. Next question. In the year 2020, which country holds the chairmanship of the Asian Bloc? Next question. The 44th session of the World Heritage Committee of UNESCO, which has been postponed recently, was originally scheduled to be held in which country? इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, चाइना. इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट है, the 44th session of World Heritage Committee of UNESCO was initially scheduled to be held from June 29 to July 9 in the Chinese city of Huzhou, the capital of the country's Fujian province.